Samsung just detonated the update bomb we've all been waiting for. And this one might be their boldest rollout yet. One UI 8 is finally here, running on top of Android 16. And the rollout plan they've just revealed is way bigger than anyone thought. It's faster, more aggressive, and has Galaxy fans across the globe refreshing their update screens like crazy. But here's the wild part. Samsung isn't just rolling this out quickly. They're doing it in a way that feels almost coordinated to take over the tech headlines. The question is, will your device get it first, or will you be stuck watching everyone else enjoy it before you? Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss out on big updates like this. Now, let's unpack this rollout because there's a lot to talk about. Samsung officially flipped the switch on September 15 with the Galaxy S25 series, S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and even the S25 Edge. These phones were the first to get the stable One UI 8 update in South Korea, and just 3 days later, the global rollout kicked off. If you own one of these devices, there's a very good chance you're already looking at the download button right now. But here's where it gets really interesting. Samsung's roadmap reveals that October is going to be packed, like wall-to-wall updates packed. Nearly every major Galaxy flagship from the last 3 years is scheduled to get One UI 8 next month. That includes the S24 series, S23 series, and S22 series, plus their fan edition models. And yes, all your favorite foldables are on the list: Z Fold 6, Z Flip 6, and even the special edition foldable Samsung released this year. It doesn't stop there. Tablets are joining the fun too. The Tab S10 Ultra, S10 Plus, and fan edition variants are all confirmed, along with the Tab S10 Lite. This is one of the most ambitious rollouts Samsung has ever attempted, and it's not just about high-end flagships. Mid-range fans, this is your moment. The Galaxy A36, A35, A34, A25, and a surprising number of A series phones are officially in line for the update. Samsung even included devices like the Quantum lineup, Buddy 4, and White 8, phones that often get skipped until much later. It feels like Samsung is trying to prove a point this time. No more waiting half a year for mid-rangers to catch up. And then there's November. And trust me, this is where things get even crazier. Samsung is saving another huge wave for this month. The Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 will finally get their share of the Android 16 goodness, alongside the Galaxy Tab S8 lineup and even older foldables like the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4. Budget phones like the A15, A16, A24, and A33 are also confirmed, which means entry-level Galaxy users are not being left behind this time. Rugged devices like the Tab Active 5 Pro and Xcover 7 Pro are also in the mix, which is rare because these usually lag behind by months. Now here's a twist: some models are mysteriously missing from the official roadmap. The Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, for example, is not listed, which has already sparked a lot of speculation online. Did Samsung forget about it, or are they holding back until the global plan is published? My guess, it's still coming, but Samsung wants to finalize testing before committing to a date. If that's true, we might see a surprise rollout later in November or even early December. Meanwhile, Europe has just joined the party. After South Korea and India got the update first, Germany and the UK are now receiving the stable One UI 8 build, and this rollout feels fast. If you own a Galaxy S25 series phone in these regions, check your settings right now. The update is about 566 MB, includes the September security patch, and brings some nice Galaxy AI improvements. Beta testers are getting first priority, but even if you skipped the beta, you're probably just days away from seeing the update notification. And that leads us to the US, which looks next in line. Historically, Samsung tends to push updates to beta regions first before going global, so we could see the American rollout happening as early as next week. If that's true, it means Samsung might complete the first phase of its rollout faster than any One UI update ever. That's a huge deal. Remember, One UI 6 took months to reach some models. Here's the part I love: Samsung even dropped an official teaser trailer for One UI 8. It's short but packed with little details, teasing a smoother, cleaner interface, more customization options, and upgraded Galaxy AI tools. If you blink, you might miss the subtle design changes, but they're there, and they make the entire UI look just that bit more polished. So here's the bottom line. The next few weeks are going to be a roller coaster for Galaxy users. Whether you have the latest flagship or a budget model, chances are high you'll be running One UI 8 before the year is over. Keep an eye on your update notifications because Samsung is clearly moving faster than ever. What about you? Has the update hit your device yet? And which new feature are you most hyped to try? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more deep dives into Samsung's Android 16 era coming soon.